So our equation is now np over negative 1 plus the opposite of r over negative 1 is equal to c. We have got the c by itself. We can simplify the two fractions on the left. Np divided by negative 1 is the opposite of np, or minus np. Opposite of r divided by negative 1 is r. And on the right hand side we have c. And so a way of writing this answer is exactly what we have here. Opposite of np plus r is equal to c. Another choice would be, for efficiency, write the term that has the plus sign first so that we can write r subtract np is equal to c. And if you prefer to have the c on the left, you can swap sides and write c is equal to r subtract np. Any of these solutions is perfectly correct, and the one that you select is a matter of your choice, whatever you prefer. Now I'm going to give you 4 exercises to do. Copy these, be sure you're exactly right when you copy them. After you copy them, stop the tape, work the problems, and then restart the tape to check your answers. Our first exercise, solve for the given variable. Solve 6x subtract 4y equals 3 for y. 6x subtract 4y equals 3 for y. Exercise 2, PV is equal to little n RT for R. All of these are capital letters except for the letter N. PV is equal to nRT for R. By the way, this is a formula from chemistry. Exercise 3, P is equal to 2L plus 2W for W. P is equal to 2L plus 2W for W. You may recognize this one as the perimeter of a rectangle. And number 4, V is equal to 1/3 capital B H for capital B. V is equal to 1/3 BH for B. This is a formula from geometry. Here are your 4 exercises. Be sure they're exactly right on your paper. Stop the tape, work the problems, and then turn the tape back on to check your answers. Your answers should be, for number 1, 3 halves x, 3 over 2x, subtract 3/4. For number 2, R is equal to PV over NT. For number 3, W is equal to P subtract 2L all over 2. Or, if you prefer to decompose the fractions, W is equal to P over 2 subtract L. For number 4, B is equal to 3v over h. If you made mistakes on any of these and cannot find where you went wrong, be sure to mark your paper so you'll know to ask about those when you go to the lab. This concludes math tape number 077.